peeps, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. I actually saw that I made a tutorial in 2015, a very long time ago, using white eyeliner, and I thought to myself, have I even worn white eyeliner in like the last year? Maybe during Halloween, I don't know, but then I was like, I have to do a video with it because it looks so damn cool and I have to start wearing it more. And also, with this video and with this tutorial, I am hoping to inspire at least some of you guys to try it out. I know it might look a little bit scary, and also in the middle of the process it might look crazy, but with lashes, mascara, lips, highlight, it looks bomb. So if you want to see all of me and all of this tutorial and just check out this video, then just keep watching. Excuse everything about my face today. I'm feeling so pale and I have such dark dark under eyes. We are going to start off with the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. If you hear a dog in this video breathing, it's because I'm babysitting my friend's dog and she's right underneath me right now. Okay, I'm just gonna put this all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Wellish foundation from Hourglass. I have it in linen and blank, and I've been using these ever since I got it. I really like it. It is super high coverage though, and this shade does not match me at all, and this does not match me either, but when you mix them, they work. And I'm going to blend it all out with a damp beauty blender and just try and mix them together. And then some of my new favorite concealer from Too Faced, and this is in the lightest shade called Swan. A little bit right here as well. I never really do that, but I've been feeling hormonal, and then I get like more red around my nose. I don't know why. It's weird. Right after that, I'm gonna go in with the Nabla Close Up powder, and I'm gonna set my under eyes. I do not like to bake, as you guys know, but this powder is so fine that you can use quite a lot without it feeling heavy. To contour, I'm gonna go in with the Shapeshifter from Urban Decay. It was such a long time ago since I used this. I've only been using my Kat Von D one. I don't know, I just love it the most. Sorry, every other brand, but it's just the best. Even though I only use 2 of the shades. If you guys are new here, I usually contour right underneath my cheekbone, and also a little bit right here, which makes my cheekbone stand out a lot more, which I love. I want to look like Maleficent. Let me. And I also contour a little bit right here. Sometimes I always do it. I'm going to take a super tiny, like kind of flat but still fluffy brush. This is the 235 from Sueva, and I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to lightly contour my nose. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the blush kit in Radiant, and we are going to go in with Breeze, I think. Fuck, I don't know. Yeah, it's Breeze. I love blush. Who does not like blush? It's so weird when people are like, no, I don't use blush, I just bronze. I'm like, what? How? How do you look so not dead? For highlight, I wasn't too sure what I wanted. I'm thinking if I should use 2. But then I'm like, why use 2 highlighters for a tutorial? Like, it's just annoying. People just want to see one highlight. So I think I've settled with the Jeffree Star Skin Frosting Ice Cold. It was such a long time ago since I used this, just because I'm not like 100% loving it, because the chunks of glitter are like kind of huge. I still like it, like it's not like I don't like it, but it's not my favorite, and it's also like a lot, as you can see. If you want to be seen if you want to be heard without saying a word, then this is the highlight for you. It is really, really pretty actually. I almost want to take back everything I just said. I'm just gonna use my finger to add a little bit on the tip of my nose. My nose bridge. And also a little bit right here. I'm just gonna use some face mist just to blend everything in. I know that some of you love when I show how to do my brows and some don't. I think it's like you guys have seen it before kind of thing, but just because some of you guys really want to see, I'm actually going to show you guys how to do my brows in this video. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ash Brown, and also I'm gonna go in with the Neve Cosmetics Brow Model Gel in London Ash. It was such a long time ago since I used the pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I think. I've been using the Kat Von D ones so much lately. I think I'm going to try and make them look a little bit natural today. I don't know why. And also, what is even natural? I don't know. Okay, like that, I think I'm happy with the shape and now. And then I'm gonna go in with some brow gel, and this is a lot lighter than the, or maybe not a lot. I thought it would be a lot lighter, but it is a little bit lighter, which I've been liking. It gives like a 3D effect on the brows. My camera just had to change a battery right now, so I just gave the dog some food, and I noticed that it's been raining since I started filming, which I'm not very happy about because I am going out after this. But luckily I'm going to LA and New York very, very soon, and Manchester and London. I'm very excited. For the eyes, I'm thinking that we should go in with the Androgyny palette from Star Cosmetics because I really want to match this white eyeliner with a red, and I think that the shade Fetish is very, very beautiful, so I'm thinking I will use that one. Safe word in the crease, actually. Yeah, let's start with safe word in the crease. How's the weather in your country? I want to know. And also tell me where you live so I can go there. I need a vacation. I'm just gonna take safe word a little bit underneath my eyes as well. Who else looks super weird when they do their under eye lid color? I think we're going to go in with the shade Fetish, kinda on the entire lid and outer corner, except the inner corner. So the middle and outer corner. That was a hard thing to explain, I guess. I think it will look, oh, this shade though. Yes. I'm also going to take this underneath my eyes. I'm going to take the blender brush again and a little bit of safe word. And I'm going to blend this out. This eye look, which is some mascara, would look bomb, but we are going to take it an extra step. First of all, I'm gonna go in with the matte kajal from The Body Shop in my waterline. And now for the main thing about this video, we are gonna go in with the Inglot gel liner in 76. It is a pure white one, and if you have been here for a while, you know that the black one was my favorite for years. I still love it, but I think it's just easier now with felt tip liners. It's just more simple. You don't need a brush, you know. And I'm going to do my eyeliner just as normal, just as I would if it were black, but it's going to be white. Now that I look kind of weird, I am going to go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner, and I'm just going to line right where my lash line is, and I'm also going to tightline. I will no. Okay, as this is a gel liner, you have to let it dry, obviously, but I am an idiot, so... Okay, I also just lined where the white is. And now to highlight my brow bone and also in my inner corner, I'm also going to use the same highlighter from Star. I'm going to go in with the Rouge and Rogue lashes in Cocoa. If you are struggling with applying lashes, I actually have a step-to-step tutorial on how I do it, so go and check that out if you are struggling. And then I'm going to apply the Nude Sticks Lash Lengthening Mascara. Alright, so now it is only time for the lips, and then we obviously have to do something about this hair. Okay, let's see. This one, no. Kind of cute. Cool, but no, I don't think so. Cool. Really cute. No. Nope. Okay, this one would be nice. Maybe... We're going to go in with the shade Veronica and Dolce, the liquid lipsticks. I'm gonna use Dolce in the outer corners and then Veronica in the outer corner and then Dolce in the middle. Now, what should we do with this hair? Should we just let it out and let it be free? I love it! I think it looks so cool. It was such a long time ago since I had white eyeliner, but it looks cool. I'm hoping that you guys have an amazing day today and have something fun planned, or maybe it's the night and maybe you already have had a lot of fun. Why can I not talk today? That we're going to end this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and also if you enjoyed this video and this look, please like this video. It actually helps me out a lot if you do. So that's it. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye.